𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗋𝗃, where I teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support my show, check out the description box below for the many ways to do that. Today I'm going to show you how to remove spent African violet flowers. And I want to show nice and close up so that you can really see where you're going to pinch out the flowers, because that's what you do with African violet flowers. You can use pruners if you want, but the easiest way to do it, since they do have a very soft stem, is just to pinch out the flower itself. So I'm going to do that with the ones that are spent here. You'll see that this one's still okay, so I'm going to leave that beauty, but the rest I'm going to take out. So getting close up here so that you can see. It's a little tricky sometimes to do that on camera, but this one right here, you can see that with my finger there. You want to go all the way down, completely down to right to the base of the plant. You want to snip it out right at the base. I'm going to show you right now. So you pinch it out with your fingers. See, I removed it. And that went right to the base, okay? Now you don't want to pinch into the base there, into the you know, those branches, those leaf stems, because then you're going to ruin that leaf. But you want to get really, really close like that. You don't want to have some parts that are extended, because what those do is they just rot and then eventually fall off. And what it does is it slows down growth of new leaves coming in for the plant, and even can slow down the reflowering. So you want to get a nice clean break there, clean pinch off there. We're going to do another one here. So this guy right here. And once again, a little on the tricky side without breaking leaves to do this. So we've got this one. I'm going to go, you can see down in here, hopefully, right down there, right in here. I'm going to go all the way down and pinch, and I'm removing it. So see, it's going to be pretty long when you're done. And then now that is gone. And that pretty much cleans out the old blooms there, so that we can make way for the new blooms and keeping on the ones that are already there. There is a little bloom right there. You see that at the tip of my finger there? That's a brand new bloom that's coming in. So by cleaning up this stuff, not only do we make the plant look a lot better, but we also create room and allow the plant to put energy into the new blooms, and even to create even more buds, because you can get African violets to bloom throughout the year in your indoor garden. It is now January, and as you can see, I have this beauty blooming. And I do have other videos on African violet care, actually a playlist I will link below. So there you go. Hopefully that helped you, show you a nice close-up view of how to pinch out spent African violet blooms. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.